Hello friends, today we are going to start a new topic on class 12th biology, chapter 6 molecular basis of inheritance. So friends, in the previous chapter you have learned the inheritance patterns and the genetic basis of such patterns. At the time of Mendel, the nature of those factors regulating the pattern of inheritance was not clear. Over the next 100 years, the nature of the putative genetic material was investigated, culminating in the realization that DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, is the genetic material, at least for the majority of organisms. In class 11th, you have learned that nucleic acids are polymers of nucleotides. Deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA, and ribonucleic acid, RNA, are the two types of nucleic acid found in living systems. DNA acts as the genetic material in most of the organisms. RNA, though it also acts as a genetic material in some viruses, mostly functions as a messenger. RNA has additional roles as well. It functions as adapter structural and in some cases as a catalytic molecule. In class 11, you have already learned the structures of nucleotides and the way these monomer units are linked to form nucleic acid polymers. In this chapter, we are going to discuss the structure of our DNA, its replication, the process of making RNA from DNA transcription, the genetic code that determines the sequence of amino acids in proteins, the process of protein synthesis, translation, and elementary basis of their regulation. The determination of complete nucleotide sequence of human genome during the last decade has set in a new era of genomics. In the last section, the essentials of human genome sequencing and its consequences will also be discussed. Let us begin our discussion by first understanding the structure of the most interesting molecule in the living system, that is the DNA. In subsequent sections we will understand that why is the it is the most abundant genetic material and what its relationship it is with RNA. So friends, now हम थोड़ा सा पढ़ते हैं द डीएनए. डीएनए क्या है, जिस इसका फुल फॉर्म है डीऑक्सीरिबो न्यूक्लिक एसिड. DNA is a long polymer of deoxyribonucleotides. ठीक है. The length of DNA is usually defined as number of nucleotides or a pair of nucleotides referred to as base pairs referred to in it. This also is the characteristic of an organism. For example, a bacteriophage known as delta into 174 5 into 174 has 5386 nucleotides. Bacteriophage lambda has 48,502 base pairs with BP in short form. Escherichia coli has 4.6 into 10 raised to power 6 BP, and haploid content of human DNA is 3.3 into 10 raised to power 9 BP. Let us discuss the structure of such a long polymer. So friends, now we have understood this much about DNA and we have completed the starting of the chapter. So let's another video we will come and we will discuss about more about structure of polynucleotide chain in the next video. So thanks friends.